Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In activities 19.1 and 19.2, we're going to work on identifying and using transition words. The directions in your textbook reads, read each sentence carefully. Match it with the correct transition word phrase from the word box below. Write the letter of the correct transition in the blank next to the sentence. If you look at the word box, the words are first, then, because, and, but, and finally. There are 6 sentences, each with a blank line. Your task is to complete the sentences by filling the blank lines with the correct transition words from the box. Let's do the first one together. It says, blank, I wake up early in the morning. Looking at the words in the word box, which do you think best completes this sentence? Most people wake up in the morning, and that's the very first thing they do. So, first would best complete the sentence. Good. Now, pause the video and fill in numbers 2 through 6 on your own. Okay, number 2 says, I make a sandwich, blank, I sit at the table. If you put then on the line, you are correct. Number 3 says, I like sunny days, blank, I can go to the beach. If you wrote because on the line, you are correct. Doing well so far? Let's see how you did on the rest. Number 4 says, I clean my room, blank, the dog makes it dirty again. If you wrote but on the line, you are correct. Number 5 says, I write on the computer, blank, listen to music while I work. If you wrote and on the line, you are correct. Number 6 says, blank, at the end of the day, we watch a movie together. If you put finally on the line, you are correct. Well, how did you do? I suspect you are finally beginning to grasp transitions. Now comes the real test. In activity 19.2, your task is to write 6 sentences using transitions on your own. Now, these sentences are about your day, and each sentence has to have a transition word that demonstrates the sequence of events in your day. Try to keep your sentences short. When you are done, share your sentences with your teacher, a classmate, your tutor, or with me. You can always write your responses in the comments section of this video, and I will gladly give you my feedback. Well, you continue to make great progress, and that is a good thing indeed. Be sure to like and share this video and visit our website at iwtle.com for updates and articles related to language learning. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, keep working on your writing skills.